The 2024 Honda Ridgeline, a mid-size pickup truck, is receiving a minor refresh for the upcoming model year, and it's introducing an off-road-oriented trim level. Similar to its SUV counterparts, the Pilot and Passport, the Ridgeline will now feature a rugged TrailSport trim with unique styling elements and enhancements designed to tackle challenging terrain. The 2024 Honda Ridgeline is ready to work hard and play even harder with improved off-road performance, updated styling, and a more high-tech cabin. The first-ever Ridgeline TrailSport is even more off-road capable, engineered to take weekend adventurers further off the beaten path with new features, including an off-road tuned suspension, all-terrain tires, and steel underbody protection. All 2024 Ridgeline models will begin arriving at dealers this winter. Advanced technology has been seamlessly integrated to enhance Ridgeline's cabin experience. A new 7-inch digital instrument panel is now standard, featuring an all-digital tachometer on the left and a physical speedometer on the right. The display also includes user-selectable functions, such as Honda sensing settings, vehicle information, and more. All Ridgeline trims now feature a larger 9-inch color touchscreen with a faster processor for lag-free performance. Additionally, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility are now standard, and Ridgeline's integrated navigation system has been simplified with new graphics and fewer menus. The Ridgeline TrailSport adds upgraded speaker performance to further enhance the listening experience of its premium audio system. For increased comfort and functionality, all 2024 Ridgelines benefit from a new center console featuring a large integrated armrest and expanded storage. The new center console storage bin can accommodate a full-size tablet, while a larger storage tray ahead of the shifter can hold 2 large smartphones side by side and incorporates a compatible wireless charging pad. The Ridgeline's sole powertrain is a 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 that produces 262 pound-feet of torque and pairs with a 9-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive.